What's up, everybody? On this episode of Twisted Angle Garage, we start to tear down the front end on the wife's Volkswagen back here and get started on body work, suspension work, getting the front end dropped down, just body work, cleaning everything up and getting it back on the road. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's get to the action. Guess it didn't want to run anymore. As you can see, this thing's been sitting a while. That needs a tune up, and the gas just stinks like all god awful hell. But got it to start and move. So let's start dressing things on here and get it all back in order. Some of the things that we've got to get addressed on this car, you can see this disaster that's underneath the frunk. This wiring is just terrible. But that's for an old radio. Hell, that's radio wiring. I don't even know what's going on under here. This car's been sitting for so long. I did put a few new fuel gauge in it or cinder at one point. It's probably bad again. It's a mess. Inside ain't no better. So, I think first thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get the vacuum. I'm going to wash this thing off the power washer. Just clean it. It's just dirty and, I don't know. I may just start sanding on it. But let's get to going on something. I didn't have my respirator on. Stinks. anything, but it definitely needs some work. I wonder if we ran out of gas. Well, we made it around the block, barely. I hope I can make it back up in the garage. Granted, I might have to siphon some gas out of my other car. I don't know if it's out of gas or it just won't idle. We'll figure it out. Well, we made it back in the shop. And this thing is running like dog turd. Well, it doesn't help that my idle screw is gone. Well, we're gonna have to do some work on this thing. I'm pretty sure my push rods need adjusted. This thing needs cleaned out. It's got old, terrible gas in it. Like, it stinks so bad, it's ridiculous. Yeah. you can see that we've got most of the, well, all the body panels off the front. Got the gas tank out, got everything gutted out of here pretty much that for now. I got to get all the steering components, get this front beam taken out of here. This whole mess here, get that taken out and replace it with this one down here that's a dropped one and narrowed. We're going to start yanking all of this wiring and pointless ductwork stuff, but we're going to get all of this wiring out. I'm going to run new ducting just to a fan that she can turn on, so she'll at least have defrost. Maybe just a small electric heater so she can run that. But we're going to replace all of these, go through all of the brakes on it. I do have a new master cylinder to put on it. The brakes work. That one's just old, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the new one on it that I've got. Get all this crap cleaned up. Just keep going through the car. But as you can see, that's what all we got done now. I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll probably get the whole beam out of the front, start cleaning stuff up in here. As you can see, I got to start doing some body work because that hole goes straight into the inside of the cab, and that right there, you can see light, just breaking off. So this header panel needs to be replaced and all kinds of stuff. But for now, we're just going to get it all taken apart, cleaned up. We'll start throwing it all back together and assessing some stuff, and then I'll start ordering some body panels and pieces and this and that so I can get welded in and whatnot. But anyway, that's it for now. I'm out.